Welcome to Like It Social Comprehensive Guide on Roles and Permissions. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to explain how this feature can significantly enhance your role assignment, clarify responsibilities for your users and employees, and ultimately improve your team's productivity. As a startup, it's crucial to constantly strive for improvement, and Like It Social is here to help you do just that. So let's dive right in. What exactly are roles? In simple terms, roles are configurations that allow you to assign access levels to various features within your employees' accounts. These settings are established in the team configuration, and once in place, roles determine editing options, access levels, and visibility of specific sections for your employees. To explore roles further, let's begin by creating some new roles. It's important to note that role creation can only be done from the admin account of your agency. This is because the roles section is highly sensitive. Assuming you're logged in and currently in the dashboard, navigate to the left menu and locate the My Agency section. Within that section, you'll find a subfolder called Roles. Click on it to access all the available roles. For the purposes of this example, let's create two roles, one for a team leader and one for a team member. These two roles are the minimum you'll need to establish a team and configure its basic structure. Let's start with the leader role. Name it Team Leader. Since this role is intended for someone in a higher position, we'll grant them all permissions for editing and provide accessibility to all sections. The Team section allows users to enter and visualize team-related information such as tasks and other relevant details about team members. The Portal section serves as a more general area connected to your agency. Here you'll find access to the Business section, a list of all businesses within your agency, a list of employees, contracts with clients and businesses, brochures, and client information. Lastly, we have the Social Media section, which includes posts, comments, reviews, social inbox, boost posts, and analytics. Each of these subsections grants access and editing capabilities. For instance, if we remove access to the comments section, a team leader with this role will not even see the comment section upon logging in. Once you've completed the team leader profile, let's move on to creating the team member role. For this specialized profile, we'll name it Commentator. The purpose of this role is to grant access to comments and reviews exclusively. This role is ideal for individuals responsible for addressing all responses of the assigned business. Select the Team option, mark it as Member, and only provide editing privileges for comments and reviews. Now that you've finished creating the roles, let's move on to the Team section. You'll find it in the same area as the roles. To access it, go back to the Agency section and click on Teams. Here you'll see all the existing teams. And if desired, you can use this feature to organize your employees into different groups. To create a new team, click on the Add a Team button. Let's name it Response Team, and add one leader and one member with the roles we just created. Click the Add button and select the existing employee profiles for the team leader and the commentator roles. Once you've completed this step, you've successfully completed the entire flow of role creation and assignment. As you can see, the entire process allows for extensive customization of roles, teams, and global accessibility for your employees within Like It Social. By leveraging these features, you'll be able to streamline your operations and enhance collaboration and productivity across your organization. Thank you for choosing Like It Social, and remember, we're here to support your journey toward continuous improvement.